Hello everyone, Nelly Morena here. I will show you today how to work with professional makeup. I begin the makeup with Micell cleansing water. Now I mix Hydrating Primer with Pearl Powder and Longwear Foundation to give the face that glowing and healthy look. Now I apply concealer in apricot tone just to conceal the darker face area. After I apply concealer in very yellowish and light tone to highlight the middle of the face and also the under eye area. Now I will contour the face with a yellowish tone in 1Y70. I will apply over the forehead, under the cheekbones and over the chin. And don't forget to contour the both sides of the nose. I'm contouring also under the lips to have more volume and also the crease of the eye. To keep the skin looking glowing, I will powder the face with Radiance Mineral Loose Powder. I will contour now the face with the contour powder in color Red Wood. It's a perfect shade for medium to darker skin tones. Now let's start with eye makeup. First of all, apply primer over the lids and blend it out. Now I will use cream gel liner in color Black Panther. I apply this color in the lashes line and trying to blend it out. Blend it to the outer corner and under the middle of the eye. I will use now Concrete palette for the eye makeup. This palette has very beautiful gray colored tones which are very warm, and I begin by using the darkest shade in outer corner, and I will end up the makeup by using the lightest shade in inner corner. To highlight more the inner corner of the eyes, I will use Pearl Powder Sensation. I will apply also under the eyebrows. I tip a small amount of Wonder Seal over the eyelids, so in that way I can stick better the diamond pigment and the effect is very shiny. Finally, apply mascara. Now I'm working on the waterline with cream gel liner and also in the lashes line. I blend it out and fix it with the eyeshadow palette Concrete. I try to blend very well to have a more smoky effect. At least don't forget to apply mascara. The creamy texture of Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick allows to use it also as blush. I apply it over the cheekbones to have more waterproof effect. Use Pearl Powder Sensation over the cheekbones and middle of the face to give the skin more glowing look. I will use now two different shades of Velvet Matte Liquid Lipstick, one in Silver Brown and one in Naked, for ombre effect. Now you can see the end result of the makeup. I hope you enjoyed my new video and you liked to see how to work with professional makeup. See you soon, guys!